Welcome to this presentation of Taoscopy for Android. When the application opens, the guided tour is displayed. It informs you about the important elements of the user interface. You can close it anytime. You can find it back in the options. As we have interrupted the guided tour, the options screen does not display any help. Touch Activate to restore it and reset to start over. When you move to the next screen, the help will display correctly. Another way to get information is, of course, the help screen. Here you can find out how the application works in all its details. Before you can ask questions to the Yi Jing Oracle, you will need to create a consultation. A consultation is a set of questions that you can organize by theme or by date. If you have not selected a consultation beforehand, simply press the consultation button. The application will ask you to create one. We'll come back to the consultation screen later, as we're going to see the journal. Let's delete this consultation by dragging it to the left. Then we can create a few more. You are free to name them as you wish, for example by theme or by period. After creating a consultation, we can select it in the journal to display it. You can rename your consultation by touching its label. You will be able to consult the Yi Jing by pressing the plus button at the top right of the screen. Here, the assistant or wizard is displayed. If you don't know what question to ask, it is there to help you. Choose a category and area to choose from a list of questions prepared for you. Or enter your question directly if you know what to ask. The questions are optional. You can also choose not to ask any questions at all. After validation, you will be able to get your answer in the form of a hexagram. The easiest way to get a hexagram is to press the auto button. At the end of the cast, your hexagram appears on the left, with its title and comment. You can delete it if you don't want to keep it in your journal. Manual consultation is done by pressing the yin and yang symbols on the right. Press the line's text field to enter your hexagram directly with its numbers. Once you have obtained your hexagram, confirm to add it to your consultation. From here you can study your hexagram in detail by touching the button representing an eye. The situation is displayed first, i.e. the comment that corresponds to your hexagram. Press trigrams to view them. Press formation to see the starting hexagram. In the line section, you will have access to the fan yaw, the juncture and the reciprocal. The making section will show you the hexagram after its transformation. Here is the nuclear hexagram with its changing lines. And finally the proof, here with the reciprocal. You can choose other sources of comments than Taoscopy by clicking on their names. You can translate your comments by accessing online translation services. By pressing the share button, you can share your reading with your friends and family. Among the options offered, you also have the possibility to print or create a PDF file. After studying your hexagram, you can write your interpretation in the section provided for this purpose. Among the various options offered, you can change the color and size of the text. By pressing the context button, you can see the position of your hexagram and the sequence of your questions. If the answer of the oracle does not appear to be clear, then you can ask a follow-up question. A contextual list is at your disposal. You can then make a new cast. And then visualize it normally. The context now shows the original question and the follow-up question. You can navigate as you wish by selecting the question you are interested in. It is possible to retrieve your previous readings in the comment section. As you can see, this screen displays all the comments. You can use the search function to find a hexagram. In the right side you will find the question we asked earlier. Then we can see its context. And finally find the original question. Finally, here are some options. You can change the size of the text. Here you can check the availability of updates and choose the default comments. Thank you for your attention.